We stopped in St. Louis and got some chicken. Lee's famous chicken. I honestly asked the lady in the front, you know, I was like, hey, what is this place good for? You know, why do people come here? She said the livers, you know, she said that was one of her favorites, and this is what the liver looked like. Not a big fan. It don't look too appetizing to eat, but we'll check that out. Let's see what else we got. Of course, I had to get the famous chicken, right? What majority of people come there for. So right here we got some thighs, some fried pickle. She said a lot of people love that, fried pickles. All right, and then a biscuit, and it's really hot too. So it's a fried pickle. So I'm loving what they're doing right now. We're gonna taste it for y'all. This is the chicken. We're gonna taste it for y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. I'll start with the liver. And I promise you, I never had fried livers, and this is the first time, but we'll see how it tastes. I'll go for one more bite. It's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, right? But it has its own taste, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like this taste, but it's just not for me. I'm not familiar with the taste, and it's not, you know, it's not giving. So I'll definitely give it a 4 out of 10. Not gonna lie. This is the chicken, guys. Put some hot sauce on there, you know. See the hot sauce on there? It's looking good. Let's get into it. Hold on now. All that I bit was the skin, and it's really good, but I need the meat. I'm not gonna lie, the skin is really good. Really good. Hold on now. Hold on now. Just one more bite. I just want to make sure the texture is there. No, I don't, but it's a really good chicken. I'm sure it's a big restaurant, but it has its own taste to it. That's all I can say, and it's really good. You know, the seasoning is there, the flavor is there, right? And just by itself, you could taste that flavor. You know, and you don't really need the hot sauce. So it's a green light for me. Probably rate it 8 out of 10. You know, 8 out of 10 is really good, guys. Honestly. Let's try these pickles now. Fried pickles. There's a lot of fried pickles everywhere. Majority of the places I go to, but I never really ate a fried pickle. So let's just try this one real quick. Usually when you're eating a pickle, I'm not a big fan of pickles, but this right here is like, the taste after is like, it gives you these numerous of flavors, you know, the pickle juice, you know, the seasoning on the pickle and the bread on it. It's really good, you know. 8 out of 10 for the pickle as well. Really good. Let's get into the brisket. Really hot brisket. It's soft, really soft. Wow. Wow. It just, woo! Yeah, that piece melted in my throat. But nah, this biscuit really melts in your mouth. And the butter on it, you could taste it, you know? 9 out of 10. And this is like my favorite, you know? I mean, everything was good on this plate, but this right here is like the combination at the end, you know? It gives you that boom. Honestly, guys, when I went in there, it's a really decent place. I mean, the people in the back that was working, I mean, all of them knew each other. I mean, they were all, you know, they had that chemistry, so they were having fun, but also, you know, working. It's a really good environment inside, you know, and outside. Outside really looks decent. I'm not sure what neighborhood I'm in. If you're in St. Louis, what street is this? On Jefferson's Avenue. If you know, you know, in St. Louis, guys, come check it out, guys. Other than that, see you then.